Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can be used by couples. Managing money together is one of the most important aspects of a shared life, and finding the right tool can make all the difference. Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app built around the traditional envelope system, and it is explicitly designed with couples and households in mind. At its core, Goodbudget uses a shared household budget approach. When you set up an account, you and your partner can link multiple devices to the exact same budget. This means you both see real-time updates on your income, spending, and remaining balances. Instead of maintaining separate spreadsheets or trying to manually reconcile transactions at the end of the month, both partners have continuous visibility into the shared financial picture. The app achieves this through a household plan. With this plan, you share single login or sync setup across devices, typically allowing up to 5 devices to connect to one account. This ensures that whether one person is buying groceries or the other is paying utility bills, the respective envelope updates immediately for both of you. Goodbudget also accommodates both shared and individual spending. While the primary goal is a unified household budget, couples often want a small amount of fun money or personal spending cash that they do not have to account for down to the last penny. You can easily set up individual envelopes for personal use alongside your joint household envelopes like rent, groceries, and savings. This provides the transparency couples need for shared goals while still maintaining a healthy sense of personal financial autonomy. Another major benefit for couples is the syncing and web access feature. You can access Goodbudget from your smartphone, tablet, or a computer browser. If one partner prefers managing details on a laptop while the other logs coffee runs on their phone while out, the data synchronizes seamlessly. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Unlike modern banking aggregators that automatically pull in every transaction from your credit cards and checking accounts, the free version of Goodbudget requires a bit more manual entry, though the paid version does offer bank syncing. For some couples, manual entry builds great mindfulness and accountability, while others might find it tedious if they prefer a completely hands-off automated tracker. In summary, Goodbudget is not only usable by couples, but it is heavily tailored toward collaborative household budgeting. By offering shared envelopes, multi-device syncing, and a clear breakdown of where joint money is going, it helps partners stay on the same page, avoid overspending, and reach their financial milestones together. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.